Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a free lecture sample of my latest course called Audiobook Creation Course. And if you're interested in picking up this course after you watch the sample, then click the link in the description for a special discount. Enjoy! Hello and welcome to lecture number 1. I'm going to go over the different ways to get books written. And here are the best ways to create your books. So the first way is you can write them yourself. Now, writing the books yourself will take a lot of time. If you don't have a lot of money to start up this audiobook and ebook publishing business, then writing is a good option. But just know that you're going to be trading time for money. So it will take probably 4 times as long to get your book written, or longer, than outsourcing it and paying for it for somebody else to create the books for you while you're working on other aspects of your business. So you can always write them yourself, and this may be a great option for some people that are good at writing. They have fast typing skills, and they're creative and they enjoy writing. But for those that maybe English is your second language, maybe you're not good at typing, or you have other things that are kind of standing in your way a little bit from the writing aspect, then outsourcing will be a great option for you. So if you write them yourself, you can trust that the book is going to meet your quality standards. It will live up to your quality standards. It won't cost any money. It'll just cost your time. And it's just keep in mind, it's slower than paying for somebody to write it that does this on a daily basis for a living. The second option is outsourcing. And if you outsource the writing of your book, this will get you to be able to take your business to the next level quicker. So you can outsource the writing of your books. You can go to Upwork, eWriting Solutions, or eWriter Solutions. I'm going to be showing that in a moment here. Fiverr, iWriter, and many others. So let me go ahead and show you some of the places that how you can actually get your book created. So if you go to Google, if you want to write the book yourself, you can go to Google and you can get a template. Just type in Kindle template, Google Docs. Or you can type in Kindle template or Kindle template Word template. And after you do that, you'll see that the kdp.amazon.com link is one of the first links. You click on that link. KDP Kindle, Amazon Kindle itself is actually going to give you some templates. And you can get them in all different sizes. You can download the blank template or a template with sample content. So if you push one of these, you're going to download it and it's going to dispense it in a Word document. You can also open that Word document in Google Docs, and you'll have yourself a template to start writing, if that's the option you want to go with. Upwork, it used to be Odesk, but Upwork is a great option. And you can go to it. You're going to need to sign up for an account to be able to do advanced searches and save some of the freelancers that you find. Once you type in ebook writer, you push search, a bunch of freelancers are going to show up. There's just a bunch of different experience levels, a bunch of different hourly rates, and there's different filters on the side that you can actually look by. So a good one that you'll be interested in is ebook writer, and then I like to go to hourly rate, and I like to go hourly rate. So it depends on where you're at in your business as well. If you're able to pay countries that their first language is English, and they're going to have really high quality books written, probably $30 or more per hour, and you're willing to spend $100 to $300 on your ebook, then you're not going to be quite as concerned about the hourly rate. But if you're on a budget right now, starting your business, you might want to be going with the $10 and below. I like to look at the $10 and below to see what's out there, and you're going to get them from all different countries. And you see here $7.78. And so what you can do is you can down to even $5 an hour. Imagine if they're writing 1,000 words an hour and you want a 5,000 word book, you could be paying $25-30 and you could actually have a 5,000 word book written for you, and just do the math. But you can get them pretty, and this person lives in the United States, so you can get them written pretty cheap if you know what to look for. So this is a great option. The next option is going to Fiverr.com, signing up yourself an account, also typing in ebook writer up in the search bar, pushing search, and you'll see that there's over 1,500 results. And you're welcome to look through here, find out what the time of delivery is, how many words they write per $5. You can do some filters on the side as well. Depending on how quick you want your book to be written, you can also go to Express 24-hour delivery. So these are people that will deliver a certain amount of words in just a day. And then if you want more experienced people that have been proven on the platform, you can select the seller level over here. You can also select what their language is. All kinds of good searching opportunities there. I've had a lot of books written through Fiverr, and they've turned out pretty good. I would say that this is probably the lowest cost site that you'll find. But it is with the sacrifice of a little bit of quality. So if you're willing to do a little editing yourself, make sure you read through your book and correct and just look for any grammatical errors, things like that. Fiverr is a good option if you're just starting out. And this one, eWriter Solutions, is if you have a little bit more money to spend, this is a great service here. You go to ewritersolutions.com. Go to services, and they have different tier levels. And actually, I was looking at this yesterday. Tier 1 was actually sold out. So you'll actually get a little box here, and it'll say sold out if they have too many orders for that queue. I'll show you Tier 2. Tier 2 is is the more expensive route to go. You're going to get they have to do a lot more research on these books and even higher quality writers. If you take it down to about 10,000 words, the cost here will be $220. Technical writing will cost more because they have to do even more specific research, so it's going to cost a little bit more. Go back to services, and Tier 1 is probably the option most people will go with, and just regular ebook writing. And if you take it down to 10, you'll see the price difference. This is only $150. That's pretty good. $150, 10,000 word book. This for audiobooks, this will equate to about a 1 hour long book for every 10,000 words or so. We do like to aim for about a 25,000 word book. And with the intro and the conclusion, we'll get it to about 30,000 words. And this will give you a 3-hour audiobook, and I'll be going over that in another course, why you want to get your books to 3 hours to get the maximum earnings per sale. So that's it for lecture 1. Those are some great options for how to get your books written, so then you can move on to the next step, which is what this course is all about, and that is getting your books converted over to audiobooks. And that's where the real sales and real money will start coming in. Thank you for watching this lecture sample on my latest course called Audiobook Creation. Do your own narration or outsource it. Now, if you want to pick this course up with a special discount code in the description below, stay tuned for a couple more free lectures from the course coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.